rewatch it. Season 1, rewatch it. Holy shit.
Good show, guys. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my. Okay, so basically, I'm eating lunch with Ivy.
No, you're not.
With Ivy and a friend of mine.
Vin. Fucking dumbass.
They're super silly. Anyways, I got pasta, bread, green beans, some oranges,
School
and
lunch.
banana. Yeah.
What's
so
my
poison.
banana right there?
Don't mind them.
Banana
And this is
with
Ivy.
tomato sauce.
Ivy, say hi.
Hi guys.
Say hi.
I'm eating pasta right now.
Yeah. What's the pasta?
We should talk about. We should talk about our intentions for today's video. For today's vlog, we're actually trying to fund our friends' educational, you know.
So yeah, it's a link in the description. Go to the GoFundMe for Ivy.
Please,
For
guys,
Ivy.
please, I'm struggling.
Yeah.
I'm struggling so much. I need more money. Go back, please. Hit that camera over to me.
Okay.
So Ivy has been struggling a lot. They've been wanting to buy Robux, but we're a bit too broke to afford it now. So we want your help.
We want your help, guys. Guys, go to the link in the description. I mean, Ivy.
Am I giving too much of a mysterious?
Ivy,
Guys, I'm begging. I'm
Ivy,
begging.
GoFundMe.
Listen, yes, KK is fine. Listen to KK, guys. I'm struggling.
KKX Kitty is on the mission. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna end it.
Why are you being a baba? Why are you recording me? Are you recording me without my consent?
No, this is for vloggy vlog. Look at Ivy.
It actually brings me so much like
KKX
joy
Kitty, guys.
When you wear my
When I'm
necklace.
I know, it's really cute. And I'm also wearing my friend's necklace.
Oh,
So I'm wearing my friend's
I gifted
gift.
that, Vin.
Yeah.
Freaking loser. You don't even know my name.
Oh! I'm saying this for the video. Yeah. Okay, bye. Alright. Bye.
I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, like, he loves to steal.
This is Kimchi-chan.
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 Because I was having kimchi for lunch, and like me and Vicky were tossing it, and then Sue took over the kimchi and got kimchi stains. So we're like, oh, Kimchi-chan.
Oh yeah, we use this.
Kimchi-chan. Oh, wait. Maybe there's... Oh, she found it. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Oh, I get it. Guys, we're walking to 7.
Label glorp.
Huh?
I said label glorp, bitch.
So we're gonna cut that out. Anyway, no, I probably shouldn't say that. I shouldn't. I want to cut that out too. Anyways, so yeah.
Why don't you just cut me out of the entire video?
Okay, you know what? You're
You're only recording your mouth.
here. Say something.
Skibbity range.
And they're like, we should name it Kimchi-chan. I was like, oh my god, yes!
I'm gonna squish this seal. Oh! I'm sorry. That was my fault.
It's okay, it's okay.
I dropped their kimchi seal. Where's the kimchi seal? Let's show it to them. Yeah, so that's why we call it kimchi seal, because there's a kimchi seal. Yeah.
There you go.
Hi. No, you're not in the video field.
No, like it's just, that's it.
Yeah. vloggy.
Chicken vloggy? What?
Chicken
What? I heard chicken vloggy.
Chicken vloggy.
I said vlog. Vloggy. Dude.
Where's Kate? Hey, hi. No, this podcast.
Oh my god.
Wait, what?
He just went to
Oh my god.
What?
Wait, what happened? No, don't splash it on. You did.
I
No,
didn't.
you didn't. No, you didn't.
People wet.
You made the people.
Banging you against the wall. Mr. Johnny Bro.
It's not in there, you idiot. Oh my god.
You hit my
Bro, there's no one here today. What the heck?
I said I was sorry. You're not sorry.
You okay, bro?
I'm tired.
That's real. I'm gonna. Wait, what happened? This is after. Guys, we're gonna. Wait, who said the joke? Who said the joke? Who said the joke?
Me.
We're gonna cancel Victoria, guys. We're gonna cancel Victoria. I'm so tired, guys. We're after school right now. I'm walking after school.
I didn't mean to. I totally meant to.
We're canceling Victoria, guys. Oh.
What the dog doing?
Hey guys, so I'm walking after school right now. I'm kind of just like by myself. Like I usually kind of just walk. What's it called? Like after, like I walk, like by myself to to my dad's car because yeah, it's like really sunny outside, and I mean I was just kind of like chilling and stuff. Oh my god, it's wind. This was killing me, guys. I hate it. I look like crap. People say I'm photogenic. I'm not. What's it called? I'm not photogenic. I'm literally not. But yeah, I have to cross the thing. But yeah. Oh. My hair is killing me, guys. Yeah, I hate this. Over here. It's like usually it picks me up and I have to walk all the way to meet up. So like I'm just like walking in the grass right now. So I meet him up at a shop because he doesn't want to drive there myself, so I have to walk. But his car is like right there. So I'm gonna go in. Yeah. About how like I don't really talk in the video, like some of the clips where I'm at school, because I'm a little bit introverted and I don't really have a lot of friends in some of my classes. So yeah, so right now I'm just trying to catch up on some work, and yeah, I really hope you guys most of it was just my face, but I'm sorry. Like, this is like my first time ever making like a vlog for you guys. Please like and subscribe. It would really appreciate me and really help me out a lot. And actually make sure you check out Rom's GoFundMe, which is, by the way, is kind of a joke, by the way. It's just a joke, you don't really have to. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed the my first ever high school vlog. Sorry, by the way, and how like I don't really talk in some of like the clips where you see me in class, because like it's quiet, there's no one really talking in some of my classes. So yeah. And if this video blows up, which I don't know if it is gonna blow up, because I don't know like like how people are gonna react to this video. But if it does, I'm gonna post like an after school little mini vlog. And yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for 1K subs, by the way. I know like you guys probably don't remember me at all, because like I delete most of my videos, but I used to do lots of Adopt Me content in 2020, and lots of like Roblox content and stuff. I was really shocked by how much subs I got like instantly back then, and now I'm suddenly growing like so many like people, which is really great. So I really appreciate me a lot if you guys like would interact with this video, like, because I know like some people like just read my video and don't do anything, but please it really help me out a lot. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and bye.